Hi friends, welcome back. And this is Lokesh, and today we are going to be discussing about file upload. Okay, how we can file upload. So basically, a file upload can click this one. Okay, you can choose somewhere wherever you can choose, and you can click and you can upload. Once you click the upload, we can able to see upload is done. Right? Go back again, and you can see this. Refresh it will after refresh automatically it will off. Right? Now, how we can able to do this kind of operation? And also we can able to see that there are multiple upload things also there, multiple file up. This also here we can able to see there are multiple options. You can choose for any two of them, and you can and automatically we can see for two uploaded files, and also you can able to see here two messages also we can get. Once you click, if you are not specifying anything, you will get for no file selected. Okay, these are the two things we can able to see in this particular. Okay, and here I'm taking for Java project one. Okay, TypeScript I will execute in the last. Okay, now we can go for await page dot go to. Okay, and here we can take for this particular, and then after loading we need to choose the file and we need to upload the file. Right, for this then we need to take the export of this. Okay, the export is basically file upload. Okay, this is the file upload. It is type as a file. Okay, you can see, right, type as a file and name it as a file and id is a file upload. Okay, now come back here, wait, page dot allocator, and we can specify hash and upload. Okay, and here there is a method called set input file. Okay, set input file. Okay, when you see this one, it will expect for there is a parameter, the file. Okay, which is the file you are going to specify. That file you can able to specify. Okay, then it will take it and it will upload as a file. And even we can able to see path of the particular file. You can specify it and it will work. And if you want to do for multiple files also, you can able to use it by separating using comma. In a array section, you need to pass. This is the array format of file. If you want single, you can pass directly, or if you want to specify multiple files, then you need to specify like this. Okay, then it will work. Okay, this is a one kind of example. You can able to see, right? If you want to specify empty, then you can able to like you don't want to choose for any file, then you can specify these particular braces. It will take as a empty files. Okay, and set of things, if you want to define some different way, the name of the file and the main type, what is the type of like a text or plain or something, and if you want to do something like this also you can do it. Okay, by default only for this particular action we are going to do for uploading a file, and for this I'm going to take here and the D drive, and this D drive I'm going to use for book one XLX file. Okay, and I'm going to specify a single quotation. I'm specifying this particular information. We need to see whether it will upload a file or not. We need to see, right? For this, I'm going to take as a wait for time, and here I'm going to specify 5000 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular specific file. Upload file.spec.ts, sorry, js, and head mode I'm going to run. Now you can see it will automatically, it will upload one file after loading. Now see, book1.xlx file is displayed. If you click after that, if you click this particular one, you can choose something and you can click. Okay, After that, it will go for another page, and here this is the upload, it is there, and we can choose for here, or you can choose for book1.xlx. Anything is okay. H3 tag, it is there. Okay, if you go for this ID, it is there. ID is there. We can take the ID. Okay, and 1 second. And then we can go for here a page dot locator, and specify for ID. Okay, can use it for expect, take expect dot to have text. Okay, and this text what we need to see, this book1.xlx. Okay, going to copy this one and pasting here. So okay, whether it will accept or not, we'll see. We are going to, after uploading, we are going to verifying whether it is uploaded or not. Then, oh sorry, we need to click that particular button and all, right? Sorry, this button we need to click. Without clicking we can't, right? And here is a submit file. Coming back to, and here await page dot locator and hash id dot click. Okay, now after that we are going to verify that particular. Now headed mode, I'm running this particular one. Now if it is my text is expected one is perfect, then our test case got passed. See, my test case got passed. Okay, like this we can able to upload. In case if you want to do for skip, I'll mention multiple one. Copying this one, I'll keep it down. Now it is a multiple file, multiple files. Okay, for this multiple file purpose, I am going to choose this particular URL. Okay, and then we need to choose as a file path. This is the input, and we have ID. Come back here and specify here, and I'm going to specifying an array. Okay, even I'm going to same file, I will click twice. Okay, then automatically there is no click button, right? Then it is not required here as well. Then expected also need here. Now whether it will upload or not, we'll see. Now it will launch that multiple file upload one, and it will see there are two files uploaded, book one and book one, both the pages. And if you want to verify that assertion after choosing, okay, now I can choose for one more time. Okay, so for the time it is giving, because it is giving as a single, no issue. If you inspect this particular element, you can see there is a ID, it is there, and li is there. Okay, in ID and li is there. we can specify that file list ID, and then we can find that li, and then we can able to specify to have the text of this particular one. Okay, and then I'm going to write for one export here. Now this is my id. I'll specify id here. Okay, then because here it is that li. Okay, li dot nth child, because I know, that's why I'm writing here one and book one. Okay, and the similar format we can able to verify for both the cases. Okay, we can specify for second and we can specify. Now again I'm hitting. See, my test case got passed. Okay, even you can able to verify for here. You can change for a child as a 2, child as a 2, and you can specify what file you are going to specify. I have specified both the times same file name, that's why I'm going to use it this one. Okay, in your case you can specify anything and it will work. Okay, like this we can able to upload a single and multiple times. Okay, I hope it this information help for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.